What up world, it's your boy Zilla, and I'm back with another video. And this time I have Super Mario cereal. For those of you that don't know, I've been looking for these cereals since they came out back December 11th, so close to 2 months. So I've been looking at Target, Walmart, Vons, Ralph's, all over. But I finally came across a box of Super Mario cereal. So I'm gonna do a taste test, see how good they are. It reads Super Mario cereal, mixed berry cereal with marshmallows. This box is a special. Oh, it also has amiibo support. So you can play with Super Mario Bros. Odyssey. And some more details of the amiibo support. So I'm about to do a taste test and see how this goes. I have a handy dandy bowl. Oh, for those of you that don't know, give you guys a little tip. I hate warm milk. So what I do is I put ice in my cereal. Keep the milk cold. Pay attention. Oops. So I have my handy dandy 2% milk. Make sure you guys get 2%. Let's see what the cereal is all about. Do 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 do. Smells good. Let's see. Just a little bit. For those of you that don't know, I haven't had cereal in about close to a year, but I'm gonna break that. For Super Mario. A little bit of milk. Mush it down a little bit and make sure it gets nice and cold. Don't forget, add ice to your milk. I promise you, you'll love it. Let's see what we're working with. If for sure flavors like Lucky Charms, those that had Lucky Charms, it for sure flavors Lucky Charms. Good. I haven't had cereal in so long, kind of miss it. Mm. 2 thumbs up. Go Nintendo, go. To the side a little bit. I also got 2 more boxes. And I have my Super Mario Bros. Odyssey. I'm gonna show you guys how to work the amiibo support in another video. But yeah, so that was Super Mario Bros. Cereal. Highly recommend. 2 thumbs up if you can find them. By the way, I found them at Walmart. I just happened to walk into Walmart and found like a whole stack of them. I think they just re-upped on them. So that's that. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And I'll catch you on the next one. Thumbs up for Super Mario cereal.